Today, I'll show you how to create a trippy nightmare effect, a crazy, distorted look that gives your video an eerie and dreamlike feel. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut and tap on your clip to select it. Now, head down to the Effects tab and choose Video Effects. Next, scroll to the Hits category and look for the effect called Trippy Nightmare. Tap on it to apply it to your video. You'll instantly notice that it creates a chaotic, surreal distortion, almost like a glitchy dream sequence. Now, to customize it, tap on the effect again to open the settings. Here, you'll see three sliders: speed, intensity, and filter. The speed slider changes how fast the effect pulses or distorts. The intensity slider controls how strong the distortion appears, and the filter option lets you add different color tones to your effect, from red to blue to green, to enhance the creepy or psychedelic mood. Once you've adjusted these to your liking, play the video back to see how it looks. You can slow down the speed for a horror vibe or increase it for a chaotic, trippy look. And that's it. You've successfully created the trippy nightmare effect in CapCut Mobile. Use it creatively for horror edits, dream sequences, or music video transitions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips and effects.